Most people think bathroom odors come from a dirty toilet bowl, but in many cases, the real source is the floor and grout surrounding the toilet itself. Even bathrooms that look perfectly clean can hold on to lingering smells because odor-causing compounds seep into porous surfaces over time. And once those compounds settle below the surface, ordinary cleaning sprays often fail to remove them completely. Professional cleaners deal with this issue differently. Instead of only disinfecting the visible surface, they focus on breaking down and lifting the residue trapped inside grout lines, microscopic cracks, and the narrow seam around the toilet base. They focus on breaking down and lifting the residue trapped inside grout lines, microscopic cracks, and the narrow seam around the toilet base. One inexpensive product that works surprisingly well for this is standard foaming shaving cream. It sounds unusual at first, but there is a practical reason it works. Foaming shaving cream contains surfactants and cleaning agents that help loosen organic residue. The foam itself clings to surfaces long enough to penetrate areas that quick-drying sprays often miss. When used correctly, it can help reduce stubborn bathroom odors and improve the overall cleanliness of the area around the toilet. Here is why this happens in the first place. Porcelain and tile may look smooth, but under magnification, they contain tiny imperfections and pores. Grout is even more absorbent. Small amounts of moisture and organic residue can settle into those surfaces over time, especially around the toilet base where splashes and condensation are common. As the residue dries, it can become harder to remove using standard wipe-down cleaning methods. This is why some bathrooms continue to smell unpleasant even after the toilet bowl, sink, and floor have all been cleaned. Surface-level cleaning removes visible dirt and kills bacteria on contact, but it may not fully reach what has soaked into the porous material underneath. Foaming shaving cream helps because of the way it behaves during contact time. Unlike thin liquid cleaners that quickly run or evaporate, foam stays in place. It expands slightly, fills small gaps, and maintains longer contact with the surface. That extra dwell time allows the cleaning ingredients to work more effectively. The surfactants inside the foam also help reduce surface tension, allowing the solution to spread more evenly across grout lines and textured areas. In simple terms, the foam reaches into places that are difficult to clean with a mop or disinfecting wipe alone. The surfactants inside the foam also help reduce surface tension, allowing the solution to spread more evenly across grout lines and textured areas. To use this method properly, start by focusing on the toilet base rather than the bowl itself. The seam where the toilet meets the floor is one of the most overlooked areas during routine cleaning. Dust, moisture, and residue can collect there over time. Begin with a dry floor. If the area is wet, wipe it down first so the foam can cling properly. Shake the shaving cream can well and apply a generous layer around the entire base of the toilet. Cover the grout lines surrounding the toilet and extend outward several inches onto the floor. A thick layer works better than a thin one because it keeps the cleaning agents in contact with the surface longer. You do not need specialty shaving cream for this. Basic foaming shaving cream is usually enough. Once applied, leave the foam undisturbed for at least 10 minutes. This waiting period is important because the cleaning action happens during the dwell time, not during the initial spray. The cleaning action happens during the dwell time, not during the initial spray. While the foam sits, it begins loosening residue trapped in the grout and around the edges of the toilet base. In bathrooms with long-standing odor buildup, this step can make a noticeable difference after a single treatment. While the foam sits, it begins loosening residue trapped in the grout and around the edges of the toilet base. After the waiting period, use a stiff cleaning brush, grout brush, or old toothbrush to agitate the surface. Focus especially on grout lines and the narrow gap around the toilet base. Use short, firm strokes instead of aggressive scrubbing. The goal is to work the foam deeper into textured surfaces and loosen anything trapped inside them. As you clean, you may notice discoloration in the foam or on the cloth you use afterward. That usually means residue is being lifted from the surface. Once brushing is complete, wipe the area thoroughly using a microfiber cloth, paper towels, or a damp cleaning rag. Remove all remaining foam and follow with a light rinse if needed. At this stage, many people notice the odor has either disappeared completely or been reduced significantly. The bathroom smells cleaner, not because a strong fragrance is covering the odor, but because the residue causing the smell has been physically removed. This method also helps improve the appearance of grout lines. Areas that previously looked dull or slightly yellow can appear brighter after treatment because the foam helps lift embedded grime from porous surfaces. There are a few additional areas where this technique can be useful. The first is around trash cans. Bathroom trash bins often trap odor in the surrounding flooring. The second is around shower grout. Soap residue and moisture buildup inside grout lines can create stale smells over time. Foaming shaving cream can help loosen buildup there as well, particularly in corners where water collects regularly. Some people also use this method near pet feeding areas, laundry rooms, or utility spaces where porous flooring absorbs lingering odor over time. However, there are a few surfaces where caution is important. Do not use shaving cream on unfinished wood, unsealed stone, or delicate natural materials that may absorb moisture unevenly. Always test a small hidden area first if you are unsure how a surface will react. It is also important to remember that shaving cream is not a replacement for proper disinfecting when sanitation is required. It works best as an odor removal method. For long-term maintenance, repeating this process once a month in frequently used bathrooms is usually enough to keep odors from returning. Regular maintenance matters because odor buildup becomes more difficult to remove the longer it remains inside grout and porous surfaces. Addressing it early prevents heavy accumulation and keeps cleaning easier over time. Ventilation also plays a major role in preventing bathroom odors. Even the best cleaning method works better when moisture is controlled properly. Running an exhaust fan during and after showers helps reduce humidity, which slows down the growth of odor-causing bacteria and mildew. Keeping grout sealed can also help reduce future absorption. It creates a protective barrier that makes deep cleaning easier and prevents moisture from penetrating. Another useful habit is cleaning the toilet base during regular bathroom maintenance, instead of focusing only on visible surfaces. Many people clean the bowl, seat, and handle thoroughly, while rarely cleaning the floor seam around the toilet itself. Over time, that neglected area becomes one of the main odor sources in the room. While rarely cleaning the floor seam around the toilet itself, over time, that neglected area becomes one of the main odor sources in the room. The reason this shaving cream method continues to spread online is because it combines three things people care about most: low cost, simplicity, and visible results. A single inexpensive can provide multiple treatments, requires no complicated tools, and uses a product many people already have at home. More importantly, it changes the way people think about cleaning bathroom odors. Instead of constantly masking smells with candles, sprays, or air fresheners, the focus shifts toward removing the source trapped beneath the surface. That distinction matters because deodorizing and deep cleaning are not the same thing. Air fresheners temporarily change the smell of the room. Deep cleaning removes the material creating the odor in the first place. And in many bathrooms, the source is not the toilet bowl at all. It is the buildup hiding quietly inside the grout and around the base of the toilet. Once those areas are cleaned properly, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. The room smells more neutral and the floor looks brighter. For a simple product that costs only a few dollars, the results can be surprisingly effective when the method is used correctly and consistently.